Today I'll demonstrate how to create this elegant gift from the heart. I'll show you from start to finish how to make both the gift and its beautiful packaging, full of little details that show that it truly is a gift from the heart. On the outside it's written, "I love you to pieces." On the inside we have a beautifully wrapped gift, and when you open it up, more hearts, and we have all the pieces that say, "I love you." Now I'm going to show you everything you need to make our gift from the heart. We're going to need some cookie dough. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough. You can make your favorite recipe, or you can buy the ready-made cookie dough in the store. We'll need some confectioner's sugar. I have 2 cups of confectioner's sugar. We're going to need 2 egg whites and a little bit of lemon juice. This is to make the royal icing. It's nice to have some decorating things. This is the nonpareils, the colorful nonpareils, and some red food coloring. And if you have a decorating tip with the coupling, but if you don't have, we can do with just these disposable pastry bags that you can find in the cake decorating section of a craft store. For the gift box, we'll need a piece of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I'm using a pretty metallic gold. You could use a metallic red or silver, whatever you'd like. A couple pieces of just plain paper for making patterns. Some pretty ribbon. We're going to need 2 pieces of ribbon, one for the inside packaging and one for the outside of the packaging. A few paper doilies, glue stick, a little bit of metallic paint or metallic marker, something to draw a message on our package, some nice sharp scissors, a stapler, and a little bit of tissue paper for the inside of the packaging. I think that's all we need. Let's get started.